Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add your own swash to your text on Adobe Illustrator. So you're just going to basically select the paintbrush tool, if I can say that properly. I'm just going to kind of zoom in as well. There we go. Then I'm just going to use the paintbrush tool to kind of create like a swash at the end. I'm just going to, can I not fill it? Oh, there we go. God, that does not look good. Anyways, this is just an example, so do not judge my skills right now. I'll just try and do another one. I don't know if that's good enough. I don't think it is. Okay, that's even worse. Hold on, let me just attempt this. Yeah, that's just gonna be worse than the first one, I assume. Anyways, I'm not gonna attempt that again because I'm not gonna waste your time. But I'm just going to quickly create outlines, and I'm just going to group them so that I can kind of unite the swash with the G. You can also use this to kind of form it a little bit better, like that, to kind of hide the mistake. Select these and select Pathfinder. You can group them, but I like to just go to Windows and I like to go to Pathfinder and I like to select Unite, so it's one shape. But of course, make your swash better than mine because that looks just bad. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!